Squaring numbers from 1 to 100, that's what we are going to talk about today. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Humor PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Welcome sa ating humor kwenturoan kung saan pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-square ng numbers from 1 to 100 ng mas mabilis and mentally. Ayun. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload natin dito sa channel na ito. And without further ado, let's get to our humor kwenturoan in 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, so hi there everyone. Welcome sa ating MATHdiskarTRICKS number 6 kung saan pag-uusapan natin yung part 3 ng fast squaring technique. Ayan. So this time we're going to talk about these numbers. 14 squared, 37 squared, 89 squared. And if you're going to notice, wala kayong pattern na makikita like yung mga una. Diba yung una ending in 5, yung pangalawa, yung mga numbers near 50 and 100. So this time wala siyang pattern. Because what we're going to do now is discuss kung paano nga ba gagawin yung squaring kapag yung numbers ay from 1 to 100. And you're asking kung paano, let's get to our discussion right now. Ayan. So let's start first with 14 squared. So last time, di ba, ang discussion natin is about numbers near and 50 and 100. So basically, ang base natin dun ay 50 and 100. Now, same concept na ang gagamitin natin kapag yung mga numbers in between 1 to 100 na pinag-uusapan. Anong ibig kong sabihin? Kukuha rin tayo ng basis. Ano yung magiging base natin para ma-solve ng mabilis or mentally yung 14 squared. And this is what you're going to ask for yourself. So, yung 14. Ganito ang unang gagawin. Gitna siya ni 10 sa ni 20. Again, ang base natin, yung 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yung magiging base natin. So, si 14, gitna siya ni 10 sa ni 20. Now, again, ganun ang unang gagawin, ha? Saan siya gitna? So, 10 and 20. Ayun. So, ngayon, we're going to analyze. Saan nga ba mas malapit si 14? Is it from 10 or 20? Saan siya mas malapit? So, kapag si 10 ang pinili, malayo siya ng 4. Diba? Pero kapag si 20 ang pinili, malayo siya ng 6. So, dun tayo sa 4. Ang kagandahan kasi nun, mas madaling mo siyang masasolve kapag kinuha mo yung base na mas malapit sa kanya. So, we're going to choose 10. So, we're going to choose now the base 10 para masolve yan. And the same process na ginagawa doon sa base 50 and base 100. Ganun lang. So, disregard mo na si 2 or si square dyan. So, 14 tayo. We're going to analyze based dun sa 10. Gaano kalayo si 14 sa 10? So, that's 4 units. May 4 na nadagdag. So, may plus 4 tayo kasi dagdag nga. Then, you're going to operate. 14 plus 4, that is 18. Ayan. So, 18. Now, ang next step doon, we're just going to multiply it by the base. So, since base 10, so times 10 to. And ang kagandahan sa base 10, di ba? We're just going to add 0 dito sa naging sum natin. O, lagay na natin, times 10. That would be 180. Again, yung 18, dinagdagan mo ng 0, ganun kapag shortcut ng times 10. Next, kung matatandaan mo yung last step natin, nabalikan natin yung distance ng number dun sa base natin, then ini-square natin yon. So, that's 4 squared. And 4 squared, kapag plus, ipa-plus yun lagi sa last step natin, 16. And what is 180 plus 16? That's 196. So, that's how you do it. That's how we do it. Kapag mag-square ng numbers na from 1 to 100. Ganun lang din yung process, just like base 50 and 100. Ang nadagdag lang, yung unang step, we're just going to analyze kung saan siya napapagitnaan at kung saan siya mas malapit. Para mas maintindihan, let's get to another example. Let's have 37 squared. So, si 37, di ba? Gitna siya ni 30 and ni 40. Now, you're going to ask yourself again, saan siya mas malapit? Sa 30 or sa 40? Exactly, sa 40, right? Since tatlo na lang ang kulang kay 37 para maging 40. Unlike dun sa 30, 7 ang distance niya mula sa 30. So, we're going to use base 40 tayo ngayon. Ayan. So, base 40, then we'll do the process. So, 37. Gaano siya kalayo kay 40? Kulang siya ng 3. So, since kulang, minus 3 yun. Diba? Kulang ng 3. And operate. 37 minus 3, that would be 34. Now, ang sunod ay times 40. Now, this would be my suggestion to you para mas madali. Medyo kasi nakakalito kapag 40 ang multiply natin dito sa 34. So, pwede mo namang hatiin si 40. Ganito ko siya hinati. Times 4 times 10. Bakit? Sabi ko nga, maganda kasi yung times 10. Friendly yan si 10 eh. Kasi si times 10, mag-a-add ka lang ng 0. So, eto lang ang poproblemahin mo. Eto lang ang gagawan mo ng paraan. So, 34 times 4, and whatever the product there, you're just going to add 0. Kasi times 10 naman yung kasunod. Ganun lang. So, kung sanay ka doon, you may do that. Okay lang naman. Ito ay suggestion lang para mas mapabilis yung pag-solve natin. So, 34 times 4, yan lang yung iisipin mo. Then, kung ano yung maging product, mag-add ka ng 0 sa dulo. So, ilan yan? Ayan. So, that would be 1,316. Ayan. Kapag 34 times 10 times 4, so 1,360. And hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Siyempre, ang last step natin, babalik tayo sa distance. Ito. I-square natin yan. So, plus yung square ng distance, 3 squared is 9. Diba? So, kung 3 squared is 9, ipa-plus natin yung 9. So, 1,360. And that would give us 1,369. And this is now the square of 37. So, I hope you're getting it this time. Isa pa, we'll have another example. 89 squared. Si 89 mas malapit or nasa gitna ni 80 sa ni 90. Ito kailangan mo na siyang i-master kung saan siya mas malapit. Madali lang naman yan. Ayun, mas malapit siya sa 90. Diba? Isa na lang ang kulang bago maging 90. So, we'll use base 90. So, same process. Base 90, kunin si 89. Gaano siya kalayo kay 90? That's minus 1 or kulang ng isa. So, solve natin. 89 minus 1, that is 88. So, since 90 yan, medyo mahirap kapag solve mo yung 90 ng biglaan. So, times 9 times 10 tayo. Ayan. So, times 9 and times 10. Okay, huwag mo na muna intindihin sa times 10. Ito lang muna ang dalawa. Kasi after mo naman makuha yung product nito, add 0. Ganun lang. So, 9 times 88, that's 792. Tama ba? Yes, okay. 792. Then yung 792, dagdagan mo ng 0, that's 7,920. And hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Of course, ang last natin lagi, i-square natin yung distance. So, that is 1 squared. And 1 squared is 1. So, plus lang natin yung 1, 7,920. So, 7,920 plus 1, that would give us 7,921. And this is now the square of 89. Now, if you still need to go back to the discussion or to that tutorial, you may do that. Gawin mo yan. Because we're going now to our humor drill. Ayan. Kung kailangan mo ng paper and pencil, kuha ka muna. And kung gusto mong gawin to mentally, of course, I encourage you to do that. Kasi, mas kaya mo na itong gawin kapag ganito yung process na ginawa natin. Unlike the traditional way of solving it. Ayan. Let's have the humor drill. I'll give you 4 items again. And I will pause for a while. And kung kailangan mo ng time ng mas mahaba, of course, pause the video. Tapos, babalik ako to give you the answers. Your timer starts now. Alright, time is up. Let's do this. I'll give you now the answer for our humor drill. Alright, let's start first with 28 squared. So, si 28 squared, malapit kay 30. Ayan, diretso na tayo. Malapit kay 30. Pero in between siya ni 20 and the 30. Ayan, so kung malapit siya kay 30, then 30 ang gamitin natin. Now, hindi ko pala nabanggit, I'm sorry. Ganito yan. Pwede naman gamitin sa 20, kahit alin dito sa dalawa, actually. Kaso, yun nga, ang kagandahan kasi kapag dun ka sa mas malapit, nag-base, mas madaling i-square yung number, mas mababa yung number na ipa-plus sa dulo. Pero kapag ito, makakuha mo rin naman ang same answer. So, let's use 30. Kung base 30 siya, let's do the process. Kunin si 28. Gaano kalayo kay 30? Minus 2. Kasi kulang ng dalawa. So, 28 minus 2 is 26. So, times 30 or times 3 times 10. Okay? So, times 3 times 10. Ito lang ang problemahin mo. Then, saka ka mag-add ng 0. So, 26 times 3 times 10, that will give us 780. Tapos, hindi pa dyan tapos, i-square pa natin yung distance. Ayan. So, that is squared. So, 780 plus 2 squared or plus 4, that will have 784. So, the square of 28 is 784. So, I hope you got it correctly. Let's have number 2. 43 squared. So, si 43 malapit kay 40, malapit kay 50. But, mas malapit siya ngayon kay 14. Right? Ayan. Kasi tatlo lang ang distance niya sa 40. So, base 40 tayo. So, same process. Kunin si 43. Ano siya kalayo kay 40? May plus 3. Right? Then, 43 plus 3, that's 46. So, since 40 yan, medyo hassle kapag diretso 40. So, times 4 times 10 tayo. Ito lang muna ang tignan. Ayan. Yung plus 10, okay lang yan kasi add 0 ka lang. So, 46 times 4, that is 184. Add ka ng 0 sa dulo. So, that's 1,840. Plus, i-plus mo pa yung distance or square ng distance. So, that's 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9. Ayun. So, 3 squared is 9. So, 1840 plus 9 is 1849. So, therefore, the square of 43 is 1849. Yan. Have number 3. 67 squared. So, si 67, gitna siya ni 60 and ni 70, pero mas malapit siya kay 70. Agree? Of course. Kasi nga, 3 lang ang distance niya sa 70. So, we'll base that to 70. 67. So, si 67, kulang ng 3 bago maging 70. So, we're going to compare that. 67 times 3, or minus 3, sorry, will give us 64. So, since base 70 times 7 times 10 tayo. So, 64 times 7 times 10, ito lang muna ang gawin. Tapos, mamaya na si times 10. So, that will give us 448. Kapag multiply yung 67 times 4, 448. Pero dagdag ka ng 0 sa dulo kasi may times 10 pa. Ayan. Hindi pa dyan tapos. We're going to add yung distance or square ng distance. So, 3 squared is 9. So, 4480 plus 9, that's 4489. So, the square of 67 is 4489. I know that you did both of that. I'm for sure nakuha mo yan. And congratulations. Last one. Of course, I know that you nailed this as well. Ayan, so, gitna siya ni 60 and ni 70. Of course, malapit pa rin siya kay 70. Oh, wow, I'm sorry. Gitna siya ni 60, ni 70 and ni 80. Ayun. Hindi pala ni 60 and ni 70. Ganito. So, ganun pa rin. Malapit siya sa 70. Kasi nga, 1 lang yung distance niya from 70. Ayan. So, base 70 tayo. Then, 71, yung process natin, 71. Gaano siya kalayo kay 70? May plus 1. Kasi, dagdag ka ng isa para maging 71. So, that will give us 72. So, since base 70 times 10 times 7, gawin mo muna to. Mamaya na si 10. So, product nitong tatlo is 5,040. Ayan. Then, wag kakalimutan i-square yung distance, which is 1 squared. Ang 1 squared ay 1 lang naman. I-plus mo na lang yan doon. 5,040 plus 1, that would give us 5,041. And that would be the square of 71. Ayan. Congratulations! I want to hear your scores sa comment. Please mention that to the comment section below para malaman ko kung natuto or nakuha mo to mentally or gumamit ka ng paper and pencil para na perfect mo. That will be great news for me. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll have another video na i-upload dito sa channel natin. I hope to see you again in our next tutorial. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching mga kayumor. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. And sana hindi mo nakalimutang mag-subscribe and i-click yung notification bell para sa marami pang videos na i-upload natin in our channel. And don't also forget that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. Hashtag #YouMorePH. Bye-bye. See you in our next video.